Are you an executive? Have you ever been responsible for leading project or program or change initiative or transformation initiative? Have you often sponsored project? Do you usually face some challenges, maybe some sleepless night or even nightmare, worrying about project being behind schedule, over budget, underperforming, or even totally failing? Well, if you are feeling any of these emotions I just shared, it's likely you are not alone. It's well known and well established fact based on numerous studies by reputable organizations that we often see high rate of project management failures. And often as a result of that, some projects even fail. Why is that? Well, if you ask 5 people, you might end up with 20 questions or 20 answers. What's the reason of project failure? However, most of what you will hear is most likely are symptoms and they are not the root cause. I have been working in project management for more than 30 years, working on small project to mega project all over the world. And my name is Munir Ajam, and I'm the founder of Uruk Project Management and CEO. So I've been working in project management, studying success and failure for more than 30 years. 20 years ago, we started to develop methodologies, approaches of how to lead projects successfully, how to achieve value. And as a result of that, over the years, since 2010, I've written a few books, but my latest book is Vision Realize. And this book, I address and I talk with executives who face these challenges that we've just mentioned. And the focus of a masterclass that we are offering on the subject is that basically about strategy formulation, or how do we move from strategy formulation to strategy execution through project management or through the Vision Realize approach that we propose here, which we also like to call business integrated project management. So in this masterclass, we address root issues and we provide the background, the history, the case of change of project management, and why do we need to transform as organization. And the transformation should be in the form of formal recognition of the project management function as a core organizational function in organization, equivalent to HR, finance, IT, marketing, sales, or any other core department, and led by an executive such as a chief project officer or chief project management officer. That's what we will address in this masterclass, and we give plenty of reasons and case studies on why this is crucial for business in the future.